Hi everyone, how are we all doing? So today we're going to have another story. We're going to have the uninvited guests this time. A favourite of many people. Right, said Mum, I'm off shopping. Now Robert and Jake, don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. But the minute that she'd gone, there was a loud knock at the door. There was a loud knock at the door. Please, can we come in? Said their mates from down the road. All right, said Robert and Jake, but don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. But guess what they did? They got their water pistols and squirted water over the nice, clean kitchen floor. Over the nice, clean kitchen floor. You can't see that, can you? Over the nice, clean kitchen floor. And soon there was a great big mess. A great big mess. Please, can we go in the kitchen? They said. All right, said Robert and Jake, but don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. But guess what they did? You can guess, can't you? They squashed Mum's jelly everywhere. They squashed Mum's jelly everywhere. And through the plates on the kitchen floor. Through the plates on the kitchen floor. And soon there was a great big mess. Please, can we go in the bathroom? They said. All right, said Robert and Jake, but don't tickle that chin, make a mess. But guess what they did? They sniffed at Mum's soap. Can you smell that? Deep breath. They sniffed at Mum's soap and wiped their dirty, sticky faces. Their dirty, sticky faces with Mum's clean towel. And soon, what was there? There was a great big mess. A great big mess. Please, can we go into the bedroom? And this is when everything got really wild. And soon they were having a great big pillow fight. A great big pillow fight. And nobody heard the footsteps getting closer and closer. I've got in a tangle, guys. Closer and closer. Bang went the bedroom door. Bang went the bedroom door. And it was Dad. What a mess you have made this time, he said, and gave everybody a huge tickle. Excellent. Another favourite story. See you next time.